So for today's class, I'm going to show you how to make a banner for any occasion in just about 10 minutes. One of the things that I love about this collection and all of my collections is that we have 4x3s and you can cut them out and they make really awesome banners. So in this collection, we have different sentiments on our 4x3s for get well, birthdays, and just friendship and also sympathy. So I'm going to show you how to make a banner and you can make one for anyone in your life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.